Hi friends, in this tutorial we are going to see how to create a timetable using HTML tags. So here I will explain you with a program example. This is a coding for to create a timetable. So I will just explain you clearly the program code along with the output screen side by side so that you will be clearly understanding what it defines. And here HTML tag, as I told earlier, is a HTML, and head part title is a timetable closing after that, then slash head closing the header part, and body part, the body part, which means what is the content we are just going to have it as a main part of this particular program, which tells you the title of the program. The title explanations will be under the body section. So center, I'm just aligning the center part because it should be whatever I'm typing in the body section, that should be in the center of the output screen. So table border, I'm just having border of the table as 1. Border color should be in orange color and width should be 50%. Cell padding is 5 and cell spacing is 1. I'll tell you this cell padding and cell spacing later using this output screen so that you'll be clearly understanding. And table th, which defines a header cell in table, so that should be in a 7. And color should be in green color so that the text timetable computer science, the text will be in color of green. Okay, just closing this font and heading also, it should not be reflected for any more text further. So then I'm just defining a row and a table. Okay, in that row the header, day, hour, and first hour, second hour, third hour, and after that the break between the hours, there will be break. Okay, so I'm just providing this break, and after that fourth hour, fifth hour. Okay, after that I'm just closing this header, that is a row of a table, that should be, this row was completed. Okay, next I'm just starting with second row. Okay, I will just clearly explain you using output screen. Okay, so that you will understand clearly. Yeah, see here, I have told you this. This is the table border. Okay, this is the whole table border of size 1 and color orange. Okay, you can see the color of the table in orange color. Then width is 50%. Okay, the width of the table should be 50%. Cell padding and cell spacing. See, this is the cell padding. This between the cell. Okay, cell padding should be 5, and then cell spacing means between the cell, this cell and this cell was separated some distance. Okay, that should be in 1. Okay, then after that table header call span is equal to 7, that is the timetable. Okay, this timetable computer science should be in green color, and we are just providing that font color, and then the table header as size should be in 7. Okay, okay, then in the row of a table is mentioned here, this particular row was mentioned there. Okay, this was the row here, day, hour, hour, and then the second header was first hour, and then second hour, third hour. In that fourth column I'm just, we have provided, I have given with the break statement the size of 7. Okay, you can see this one break statement. Then after that fourth hour, fifth hour. Okay, this row of a particular table is completed, so that I'm just closing the row. Okay, otherwise it would be just continuing without any table closing this one. Okay, it won't be closed here, and it's just simply going on without the words there. Okay, it should not be it will not be a complete table. That's what we have to close it. In my earlier video I have shown a demo that if we are not closing with the closing tag, the reflection of this will be continued for the next paragraphs and next strings or words or sentences, so that we should be clear enough to close that with a particular ending tag. So next row. Okay, this defines a row in a table. So in that row, first was a heading. Okay, first heading was first hover. This is that. Okay, this is the next row. This is first row and this second row. In that first heading was first hover, and then in that, okay, TD, which defines a cell in a table. Okay, TD means which defines a cell in a table. This is the first cell in that row. I'm just using this subject name as max. It should be aligned in the center of the cell. Okay, next, Tamil subject, it should be in the center of that cell, and in that cell I'm just closing with a closing tag. That's it. Okay, it should be completed within that cell. Then after that, you can see this clearly here. I'm just giving this HTML lab as center alignment, and font color was blue. You can see here as blue. Yeah, okay, blue color. So that's what this HTML lab was particularly in highlighting in green color, sorry, blue color. Okay, then after that I'm just closing this font slash font and slash TD. Okay, sorry, slash TD, because the font color of this HTML lab should not be reflected along anymore. Okay, see, for this again here I have given blue color. So if I turn to red color and I'm just saving it, just refresh the output screen. See, this HTML lab was shown in red color. So you can clearly understand. So if I know, if we have to close it with the end tag slash font. Okay, then after that max subject alignment with the center. Okay, after that I'm just closing this particular row. That's it. The row was ending there. Okay, after that I'm just starting with the next row and second hover. Okay, was that row, this was that row, and align is equal to alignment is for center for English subject and for max subject and for Tamil subject. Okay, after that I have given a red color for SBE. Okay, a skill based subject. Okay, that was red in color. You can see that. After that I have been we have to close with the fonts font. Yeah, okay, slash font. Okay, sorry, I have not covered it. Okay, slash font. Then after that I'm just using C++. Okay, that was an alignment of center, and I'm just closing that particular row and a table. Next row was starting, that was the third hover. Okay, same thing I have given for each and every columns of this table. Okay, you can clearly understand. Yeah, see this I wanted to tell you this one. In that sixth row, sixth hover, I'm just using alignment of Tamil subject center and English and C++ lab. And then for this one, I'm just using col span is equal to 2, align is equal to center, font color is equal to blue, and C++ lab. Okay, here col span is equal to 2, which means these two cells will be combined together. Okay, that was the main thing of this. So after that, align is equal to center. Between these two cells we are just combining, as well as the text should be in the center of that column. Okay, now then font color is equal to blue. Okay, then after that closing the font tag and closing the table, that is the cell of the table, and I'm just closing that row, and then even the table also closed. So this is the end part of the whole table. Okay, then after that body slash body and slash HTML. See here, I will just turn this color to green. You can see the reflection there. Okay, in the output screen. Control S. After saving only, you have to refresh the output screen, then only the reflection will be made here clearly. Yeah, see, C++ lab was turned to green in color. You can change according to your need. Okay, if you wanted to see the table border to even 5, also you can see the reflection, the table border of this. See, you can see this, the darkness of the table border, it was 5. Okay, the border of this table was 5. Okay, accordingly we can change. Okay, that's not a name, but I hope so you are clear with this code and how to create a table using a HTML tag. And thank you friends. If you are clear with this video, you can just give a click and You can share your doubts below the video, and I will just answer you back soon. Thank you, friends.